Okay, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Agnes. I'm the Managing Director for TMI Malaysia Consultancy Sdn Bhd. And with me, I have two wonderful colleagues of mine. One you can already see who's recording. My Chief Marketing Officer, Stefan. Say hi to Stefan.
Hi, Stefan.
And I have my Performance Solution Consultant, Marilyn. Say hi, Marilyn.
Hi, Marilyn.
We committed. We have a very extremely experienced facilitator, Dinesh, who's going to actually walk you through and give you the tools and techniques and tips and how you can lead your team. You don't have to wait for next year. You can immediately live and walk out of this door and you can already start applying this. So just be on fire, okay?
Okay.
Wonderful. So without
1, 2, 3. Tack TMI.